So here we are in smarteam, and we can take a look at the Viewer tab, and this is actually 3D via Player embedded into smarteam, and we can hit the play button and we'll see a couple of parts here being animated in the player. And we can open up the CATIA assembly into CATIA, and what we're going to do is make changes to those two parts you saw moving in the animation, and we'll see how we can use smarteam to track the revision change, but then also update the SMG file and maintain the animation. So first we're going to go into the seat cover and turn on a couple of extra features so that we can get some new geometry. And of course, when we activate those features, smarteam is going to track and say that this is a design change, you don't have rights to this yet, so you need to go in and create a new release. So we'll go and do that, create the new release on those two objects that were changed. And that'll give us permission to save those changes back in as a new revision. So you can see the new geometry there is an extra lip on the seat, perhaps for a second passenger or just to keep a more snug fit for the user as they are riding on the Sea-Doo. And we want to change this front fender and add some new geometry to it. And again, of course, when we go to add a new feature, smarteam is going to prompt us to do a new release on that geometry, on that part. So as we go in and create some new geometries on here, we're going to be able to track that and store that back into smarteam. So this is standard functionality in terms of working with CATIA, working with smarteam, tracking your revisions and so on. But what's really great about this is because we have composer content created and that's being managed in smarteam as well, we can take these updates that smarteam is tracking and have them applied into the composer file. So here you see the new fender on the front, the new seat there, and we'll save this back into smarteam, and we'll go into smarteam and we'll see how we can incorporate these changes automatically into the composer file. So we have a script that's been created that we can run here and basically tell it to update the SMG file. Behind the scenes, it's going to batch update the geometry inside the composer file, and when it's done, we're going to get a message saying that it's completed, and we'll go to the Viewer tab and we'll see the new geometry in the player. So you see the new fender, you see the new seat cover, and most importantly, when we hit play and watch the animation is preserved and is now running on the new geometry. So smarteam is managing the content and helping to automatically update the composer files.